Hello, I'm Victor Gutierrez, and the learning objective I will be going over today is describing the key anatomical components of the eye and our neural pathways for vision. So, for one, the eye consists of very different components that work together to help people visualize information and interpret it at the same time. So, for one, for starters, we have your cornea, which is the clear, it's kind of like a dome shape front surface of the eye, and it helps us focus on light, and it's a protective barrier. Then you have your iris, is the colored part of the eye, which is around the pupil, and then it pretty much like controls the amount of light that comes inside the eye by adjusting the size of your pupil. Then you have your pupil. Your pupil is the dark central opening in the eye in your iris, and it constricts bright light and it dilates in low light. So I don't know if you ever got your pupils dilated before. You'll see how it expands. Then you have your lens. The lens is the flexible structure located behind the iris and the pupil, and it helps change its shape and accommodating itself. Then you have your retina. Your retina is the innermost layer of the eye, and it contains a photoreceptor. It has photoreceptor cells and rods and cones, and this helps convert light into electro signals that gets interpreted by the brain. Then you have your optic nerve. The optic nerve is a bundle of over 1 million nerve fibers that help transmit signals generated by the photoreceptor cells in the retina to the brain for processing. So the neural pathways for vision, you have your retina that sends signals or the process in the retina to begin initial stages of visual information processing. Then you have your optic nerve, which is electrical signals from the retina are gathered and they are transmitted via the optic nerve to the brain. Then you have your optic tract. The optic tract is nerve fibers, and they carry information, visual information, to various regions of the brain. Then you have your primary visual cortex, which is located in the the occipital lobe. The primary visual vertex is where the initial processing of visual stimuli occurs, and it helps us see edges, colors, and motion. Then you have the visual association areas, which is just helps complex aspects of visual information, object recognition, and spatial awareness. But thank you. Have a good one.